Hi everyone, this is my oral presentation and description of the photography. My name is Diana Marcela Fagua. I am 22 years old. I was born in Samacao, Boyacá, but in this moment I'm living in Bogotá. I am an assistant in a microbiology laboratory in a flower company. I study business administration in this university. I like dance with my friends, listen to music, read, and share with my family, and dislikes the false people and hypocrisy that butter the lives of other persons. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. My parents live in Boyacá and love you very much. Now I'm going to talk about the photography that you are looking. A place in this beautiful territory of our beloved Colombia. This place is called Cachaneca Dam. It is located in Samacá. It is a natural reserve. There you can find frailejones, pine tree, and many other species of flora and fauna. In this place the temperature is very low. It is very cold. So it is Páramo and it is geographically high part. If you want to go to this place, it recommends to wear warm clothing. Thanks for your attention.